good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our Enterprise AI in Action Roundtable. I am Arseniy Tarasov, CEO of HiPer. And today I'm very pleased to invite George Broadbent from Twiniti. And today we're going to discuss enterprise AI adoption and AI in digital twins. Very interesting and very hot topic. So George, welcome. Great to have you here on our roundtable.
Thank you, Arseniy. Appreciate you inviting me to this. This is going to be a great discussion, I think.
Yeah, I think so. The topic is very interesting. And I mean, there are a number of different discussions about the different tools, technologies, success stories, but there is very little experience so far about enterprise-wide adoption of AI across different departments, across different teams. So I would like really to cover that topic. But before that, I wanted to ask you to do a quick introduction of yourself, of Twiniti. What do you guys do? What are your key areas of expertise and business value?
Sure. So, George Broadbent, I've been in the consulting industry for about 30 years now. And what kind of draws me to that industry is being able to see different solutions from different industries, different groups, different problems that organizations are having. Very much a connect the dots kind of person. So I like to look at not only an organization, but between organizations, how they operate. That has led me to now founding Twiniti, and really Twiniti is about digital twins. It's a combination of digital twins and infinite, and it's about accessing artificial intelligence to scale your organization, infinite possibilities, infinite scalability, and digital twins is one of those mechanisms that we're going to use to enable that within an organization. So happy to be here today, and I'm looking forward to the discussion.
Okay, fantastic. Well, let's start with a very how would I say, controversial topic or very interesting topic regarding the ways how large and medium companies look at the AI adoption. Because talking to executives and board levels and reading different studies, I see that people focus on just giving out the licenses for ChatGPT or other LLMs and say, okay, just do it, right? Just use it. And obviously people get a lot of benefits just from basic automation, right? At the same time, when I look at it and think, okay, you are getting obviously some benefits, but at the same time, I think AI should be, especially if we talk about AI first companies and the companies who try to transform into being AI first, need a really different approach looking at this AI transformation, not just at the personal personal automation level, but really across different levels of personal success, team success, right, department level and the enterprise level. Can you share your thoughts on this?
Yes, absolutely. And I've got a few opinions on how organizations should and how they are deploying AI. And you're absolutely right. There's kind of, you break it down to those three levels there: basic, departmental, corporate initiatives. And I've seen way too many times where they say, okay, here's $20, go get yourself a GPT subscription, and good luck. So
exactly. Now you're on your own.
You are, yeah, and that's great from a personal perspective, because it does improve the way that you can work individually. But that's not really unlocking the value or the power of AI from the business perspective. Mm-hmm. Even at a departmental level, and I've lived through this, where you say, okay, well, my whole team, you've got the subscription now. Let's start automating a lot of our tasks and create some agents to use. But again, that's a closed ecosystem of it. And then the corporate level is really about transformation. it's really the transforming agent for the organization. What can we, what can we automate, basically? What kind of repetitive tasks can we eliminate and turn into an AI agent? And that's really where the value of AI starts to shine. At the personal level, sure. I can take my meeting recording, create my meeting minutes, my action items, do that in a few minutes. I personally have used it for proposals, but that's not that's increasing my own individual productivity,
Right.
which is great for an organization. But there has to be a mechanism behind it.